Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset YouTube recommendations. So you can open your YouTube in mobile or on your PC. So in order to reset your YouTube recommendation, all you have to do is clear your history first. You can go to the YouTube settings. You can tap on your profile and tap gear icon at the top of your screen and tap on manage all history. Here you can delete all of your history, or you can turn on auto delete or not saving your YouTube history. And also you can tap on controls. Again, you can turn off your history here and turn off your ad centers, and here the other activities. You can your YouTube no interested feedback, you can delete YouTube survey answer, you can delete, and YouTube customize your feedback, you can delete. So it's like a reset your interaction with YouTube. And also you can unlike the video or remove the video that you like, comment and live chat, other video interactions. And also you can manage your YouTube subscription here. You can try to reset all the settings in YouTube interaction history and controls. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.